how to skip Let's Connect You to a network on Windows 11. So if you're facing a problem of Let's Connect You to a network on Windows 11, and if you want to bypass it, then what you need to do is first you need to check your connection. On the Let's Connect to your network screen, you'll see the names of the available connections. However, if you cannot connect to any one of them, whether it's Wi-Fi or your wired connection, there's probably a problem with the connection itself. So what you need to do is just simply use the command prompt to bypass the internet requirement. So what you need to do is simply open up your command prompt. To open your command prompt, you just need to simply press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to launch the command prompt. And once it launch, you need to simply enter this command on the command prompt. So you just need to simply open up your command prompt. Once you open, you will get this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply enter this command right here, which is OOBE. Make sure to open the caps lock and then OOBE /BYPASS, which is bypass NRO. And once you enter this, you just need to simply hit the enter on your keyboard. And once you hit the enter, then you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply restart, and here you will have an option of I don't have internet on the bottom of your screen. You just need to simply click on it, and then you'll be able to bypass Let's Connect You to a network on Windows 11. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.